To create a star topology, first we need to add a switch, so let's add it to our scene. Then we need a few computers, so let's go to End Devices, and I will hold Ctrl and press on the PC. Then each time I click on the scene, I can create a new PC. So let's add a few. Now I will deselect the PC, and let's go to the cables. I'll select the auto connect cable, so it will select the best cable possible for our situation. So let's connect all of them to the switch and deselect the cable. Now it's time to give each of our computers an IP address. To do that, we can click just on the computer and go to the config, go to fast Ethernet, and here inside IP configuration, we want the static IP. Let's give it 192.168.110. If I click outside of this text box, the subnet mask will be set automatically. Let's close this window and do this for other computers as well. And do this for the other computers as well. Alright, now that all of them have an IP address, it's time to test the connection of our computers. To do that, let's click on this computer and go to desktop, command prompt, and we want to get a ping from one of the other PCs. If it gives us any ping, it means that the connection is stable. To do that, we just say ping and the IP address of the destination PC that we want to get the ping from. In this case, this computer is 192.168.110, and this computer, which is PC9, is 11. So let's just type the IP address of this PC, 192.168.111. If I press enter, here you can see it will give me a ping. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you want to support me to create more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video, so other people can find this video as well. If you want to learn more about Cisco Packet Tracer, I have a full crash course that you can check it out. There is a link in the description for the video. Thank you, bye bye.